Meaning of First Lady.
First Lady.
First Lady.
First Lady.
First Lady. First Lady is a title given to the wife of the president of a country. The term was first used in the United States in the early 1800s and has since been adopted in other countries as well. The role of the First Lady varies depending on the country and the individual, but it often involves promoting national causes or charities, hosting events at the White House, and advocating for social issues. The term First Gentleman is used for the husband of a female president or head of state.